Hi, Peter.
Hi, Tina. How are you?
Hi, Peter.
Hi, Tina. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you? Are you home? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Are you home?
Yes, why? Yes, why?
Your new flat was near the supermarket, wasn't it? Your new flat was near the supermarket, wasn't it? I'm shopping and I thought I could stop by and say hello. I'm shopping and I thought I could stop by and say hello. Are you free? Are you free?
Yes, that's a great idea. Yes, that's a great idea. I'll make something to eat. I'll make something to eat.
In 20 minutes? In 20 minutes?
Great. Great. "20 minutes later. Come on in, Tina. This is my new apartment. Come on in, Tina. This is my new apartment.
How cool! How cool!
You can leave your shopping on the table. You can leave your shopping on the table. The room is big and bright. The room is big and bright.
Yeah, the windows are really big. Yeah, the windows are really big. And the couch is super comfortable. And the couch is super comfortable. Wow, what a huge TV! Wow, what a huge TV!
This table and this plant are Japanese. This table and this plant are Japanese.
The lamp too, isn't it? The lamp too, isn't it?
Yes, and also this cushion. Yes, and also this cushion. Come, I'll show you the kitchen. Come, I'll show you the kitchen. This is my kitchen. Small but practical. This is my kitchen. Small but practical. There's a sink. There's a sink. There's a table and 2 chairs. There's a table and 2 chairs. There's a stove with an oven. There's a stove with an oven. There's a refrigerator. There's a refrigerator.
I like the kitchen. I like the kitchen. Shall we prepare sushi later? Shall we prepare sushi later?
Yes, but please come. I'll show you the bedroom and the bathroom. Yes, but please come. I'll show you the bedroom and the bathroom. This is my bedroom. This is my bedroom. There's a bed. There's a bed. There's a lamp. There's a lamp. I have a dresser, but I don't have a closet yet. I have a dresser, but I don't have a closet yet.
This painting is nice. This painting is nice.
Yes, it's a picture of my village in Bern. Yes, it's a picture of my village in Bern. I have a carpet here. I have a carpet here. Come, let me show you the bathroom. Come, let me show you the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It has 2 mirrors. It has 2 mirrors. The toilet. The toilet. And a shower. And a shower.
Oh, I've gained weight. Oh, I've gained weight.
No, relax. The scale is broken. No, relax. The scale is broken.
Phew, what a relief. Phew, what a relief.
Do you want to learn English? Subscribe to our channel. It's free. Enjoy a new video every Sunday.